It's here. I can't believe it. It's finally here. Waiting for this day for months, and some of you have been asking for this for years. I'm so excited. It's finally here. There have been hundreds of videos and probably thousands or tens of thousands of comments waiting for this product, and here it is. I'll be showing you here in just a second. Here it is. I've got 300 of the new Berkey NSF certified water filters. These are the new Phoenix New Millennium Concepts certified water filter. For those of you who've been asking for an NSF filter, here they are. I've got 300 here on my initial order. About a third of these are already ordered. I've got a lot of packing and shipping to do today. I have them in stock, as you can see, and shipping. I also ordered some extra crowns and imperials to add to my inventory. Here we are, the official authorized Berkey replacement filter for the Berkey Black Purifier. This is the only authorized replacement filter for Berkey systems. Don't be fooled by quote-unquote replacement filters on eBay or Amazon for $6 or something like that. Those are not certified. They haven't been approved. They'll void your warranty. This is a replacement filter you want to get. And I have them at ldsprepperstore.com right now in a pre-launch discount price. So run over to ldsprepperstore.com right now. Get yours at the discounted price before the launch date. Before I even open it up, let's take a look at the back, because there it is, the official NSF certification stamp right here on the box. And as you can see, it's NSF and ANSI standard 42 and 372 certified. That means this filter is certified to work on all municipal water sources, including wells and city water. It'll take out heavy metals, pesticides, herbicides, pharmaceuticals, VOC, forever chemicals, and the list goes on and on. To take a look at the detailed list, go to ldsprepperstore.com and take advantage of that sale price. So inside the box, here we have a brand new primer. This is the Easy Primer. This will fit over very large kitchen faucets, you know, even the not the standard size, but the big ones. So this is going to make it really easy to prime. You're going to want to prime the filters, first of all, because they just came from the manufacturer. By the way, Berkey has these manufactured in India from the same trusted source they've been working with for many, many years, where they get their highest quality stainless steel for the units. They're now having these filters manufactured by them in India. So high quality product made from a reputable manufacturer that Berkey or New Millennium Concepts has been working with for decades. I can feel these are factory new. I have a little bit of, and I don't know if you can see in my hand, a little bit of production dust. So you want to prime them. You're just going to stick this on your faucet, put that in there, turn the faucet on low, and then let it sweat. I usually just kind of wipe it off as it's doing that. Run a load of water through your, 1 or 2 loads of water through your Berkey, and get it nice and clean. Besides the 2 filters that come in the box, you're also going to get instructions, and you're going to get 2 little bottles of red food dye. Now, this does not tell you if the filter is working or not. The filter works. This will tell you whether you installed the filter correctly or not. If you didn't install the filter correctly and didn't follow the instructions here in the box, you may have water going around the filter, and that's when you're going to get red in your water. So make sure that you're installing them correctly. I've probably done this once or twice in my entire life, over more than a decade, because I know how to install the filters. But if you're getting red food dye, don't worry, the filters are in good shape. Just make sure you got everything tightened down properly. So you get 2 bottles of red food dye. You want to use 1/8 of a teaspoon per gallon. So fill up your top container, just follow the instructions and put the red food dye in, and you'll be able to check to see if those are installed properly. These are certified to last 5,500 gallons of municipal treated water. Again, for all the details and to get the special pre-launch discount, go to ldsprepperstore.com and order your Phoenix Gravity New Millennium Edition filter set today. This is a very, very excited David Gilmore, known as LDS Prepper, reminding you, If ye are prepared with the new Berkey Phoenix Millennium Edition filter, ye shall not fear what's in your drinking water. Head over to ldsprepperstore.com today, get your pre-launch discount price, and get your new filters installed in your system right away.